Myself Bhavna Tawar, student of class 11th from Prem Shri School, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Rohtak. I'm here to present an idea under Viksit Bharat Buildathon under category Atmanirbhar Bharat. My idea is to develop Smart BioShot, a mobile application that uses AI-based image classification to accurately identify and classify biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste, promoting proper waste segregation, reducing environmental pollution, and supporting sustainable waste management practices. Problem statement. Improper waste segregation continues to be a critical environmental challenge in both urban and rural communities. Global over 2.25 billion tons of solid waste are generated annually, with more than 33% not managed in an environmentally safe manner. In India alone, approximately 6,038.9 tons per day of solid waste is generated, of which 50,000 is treated untouched, which leads to increased landfill burdens, pollution, health hazards, and wastage of valuable biodegradable material that could otherwise enrich soil and reduce landfill pressure. A major contributing factor is the lack of awareness and tools available to common people for identifying biodegradable and non-biodegradable items effectively at the source of generation.
Go.
Sustainability focus areas. The issue of proper waste segregation also contributes significantly to climate change, with methane emission from untreated biodegradable waste and the accumulation of non-biodegradable plastic. It undermines efforts to achieve United Nations Sustainable Development Goals and particularly SDG Goals 13 Climate Action. Sustainable sites and communities reducing greenhouse gas emissions such as methane from improperly managed organic waste, contributing to climate mitigation efforts. Solution for these problems are to address the change of improper waste segregation. The development of mobile application called Smart BioShot, which uses AI-powered images classification to distinguish between biodegradable and non-biodegradable material. This application is built using MIT App Inventor for the front and Google Tech-enabled machines for machine learning based image classification. Thank you.